Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your Xiaomi Redmi 8A, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter apps. Tap on the dual apps. And right here we got all apps that support this mode, so we can clone, for example, the Netflix. There's the creating dual app notification, we have to wait. Let's go for the main screen, and right now we are looking for this Netflix second application, and here it is. And right here you can find the first. So let's open both applications. As you can see, we have to update, and let's check the second one if it is working. And yeah, this one is also working, but we have to update it. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.